Now I start our new chapter number 11. Chapter 11 for class 6, that is light, shadow and reflection. Our question, what is light? Beta, light is also the form of energy. Light is also the form of energy which enable us to help in seeing the beautiful world, seeing the things around us. Beta, light is the form of energy which enable us to see our surrounding. Our surrounding means the things around us like table, chair, door, this pen, board, stand, teacher, your desk, table, etc. All the things that we see. Beta, we see all the things only with the help of energy, and that energy is known as light. If in our surrounding light is not there, we are not able to see anything. Beta, at the time of night there is dark, there is very dark, we can't see the things present in our room. When we switch on the bulb, tube light or LED light, with the help of light all the things present in the room will clearly seen by us. That means light is the energy which help us to see the things around us. Either these things are living or non-living. Beta, either these things are living or non-living. That means we can say light, with the help of light, things are visible to us. With the help of light, things are visible. Without light, things are not visible. Beta, energy that we receive from light is one of the most important fundamental requirement for the existence of light on the earth. Energy received from the light. Energy received from the light is a fundamental requirement, necessary requirement. Fundamental means necessary requirement for existence of life on the earth. Existence of life on the earth. Clear? Beta, this is the important and necessary thing for us. Beta, light, main source of light, main and natural source of light. What is the natural source of light? Answer of all the students or all the persons, answer is only sun. Beta, with the help of sunlight, green plants prepare their own food. That process is known as photosynthesis. And in the photosynthesis, sunlight is the necessary component. When green plants prepare their own food by process of photosynthesis, then we will get food. Food gives us energy for various life activities. Clear? So, if we don't have energy for various life activities, that means we are die and non-living. And this, with the help of sunlight, we see this beautiful world in the daytime. At the night time, sun is not there, we need artificial light, or some amount of light is given by moon to us. In the moonlight, things are visible but not as sharp as the not sharp as the sunlight. Our question, what is the source of light? Now, what is light? It is okay. Now our question, what is the source of light? Natural source, it is sun. What is the source of light or defined source of light? Beta, the object given out light energy is known as source of light. Beta is known as source of light. That is known as source of light. Clear? The object which emit or which release or which given out the light energy is known as source of light. Clear? Beta, we have two sources of light. Natural source and artificial sources of light. Natural sources are beta sun, star, moonlight. Clear? Sun, stars, moonlight. Artificial source, beta electric tube, bulb, LED, etc. All are the sources of light, but some sources are man-made sources. These man-made sources are known as artificial sources. These are electric tube, bulb, LED, etc. And natural sources which are not man-made. These natural sources are sun, moon, etc. Beta, the object which give or produce light is known as luminous source. Is known as luminous source of light or luminous object. Luminous source or luminous object. Either man-made or natural. The thing which emit light, which produce light, which help us to see the something, that is known as luminous source. Beta, all are the example of luminous source. What are the example of luminous source? Example of luminous source is sun, star, moon, electrical bulb, tube, LED. All are. You will write bulb, sun, star, moon, etc. All are the luminous object. And the object which do not produce which do not given out light energy is called non-luminous. Is known as non-luminous source. Example, beta table, chair, wooden piece, this pen, etc. All the things which do not produce any type of light, any type of light energy, that is known as non-luminous sources or non-luminous objects. Clear? Beta, these are the sources. Now, what is the path of light? How light will move? What is the path of light? Light will move in straight line or in other way. How will you show that? What is the path of light? Beta, we all will say light do not require any medium for travel. Any medium for travel. Better, light do not require any medium for travel. Light may be move in water, may be move in air, may be move in vacuum. Vacuum is the space where nothing is present. Light do not require any medium for propagation. Propagation means for travel. It is the important thing for you. Then, beta, how light will move? Light traveling straight line. Light traveling straight line. Beta, this will be shown or this will be proved by formation of shadow. When you are moving against the light, your shadow on front side, you are moving towards the light. You are moving towards the light. Beta, I am towards the light. My shadow on the board. You are seeing clearly. Clear? You see in cricket ground, lights are present on 4 sides. So at the night time, 4 shadows are appear for each player. Clear? Shadow is from opposite to the light. How will you explain light travel in straight line? Beta, you will use, for this you will do an activity. Activity to show that light travel in straight line. For this, you will use a burning candle. Place this candle over a table. Place this candle over a table. And you see light from a pipe. You see light from a pipe. Straight pipe. Straight, hollow, plastic pipe. Beta, from there, when you see from the other end, you see the light of candle, flame of candle. That means light traveling straight line. By chance, you turn the pipe slightly like this. Now you can see. Answer, no. And why? Bend the pipe. When you bend the pipe, now not it is straight, now it is bent. Flame of light is not seen to us. So we can say light traveling straight line. Better you do this activity by a piece of paper. You make a paper, fold it like that and see flame light or bulb from this. If it is straight, that source of light appear to you. But if it is not, it is slightly bent, then you can't see. Then you can't see the source of light. That means light always travel in straight line. Thank you. We will see the types of object. Types of object on the basis of to pass the light. On the basis to pass the light. Beta, on the basis to pass the light, we divide the object into 3 categories. We divide the object into how many categories? 3 categories. Objects are of 3 types. Transparent. Beta, transparent. translucent, and third one opaque, and third one is the opaque. Transparent. Transparent objects are those objects which allow the light to pass, which allow the light to pass through them. Beta, that object which allow the light to pass through them is known as transparent object. For example, air. Air is a mixture of gases and also contain dust particle and some type of moisture. But we can see all the object through light very clearly. So, air is known as transparent. A glass of water, you can see any object in front of glass of water through the glass very clearly. That means water is transparent. Glass is transparent. But some objects do not allow the light to pass. That are known as opaque. The object which do not allow the light to pass through them, which do not allow the light to pass through them, is known as opaque. For example, this board, you can't see behind the board. This wall, my hand, beta, your book, you can't see behind the book. That means it is opaque. When you see clearly behind the object, transparent. You can't see anything behind the object. It is opaque. And some objects which allow the light to pass through them but slightly. So we can see the object behind but not clearly, which allow the light to pass through them slowly. That means we can see the things present behind that but not clearly. Beta, you will see some glass window that are milky. We can see behind the glass, window glass, that is, there is something behind the window but not clearly who is. That is translucent. When we see clearly who is behind the window, transparent. And we can't see who is behind, anything or not. We can't see behind this wall. That means opaque. This is all about the light in your syllabus. You learn the concept and understand. Thank you.